alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to learn about addition, right? You all know what does addition means. Let's recall it. Addition means to add something, to plus something, to bring something together, to bring something all together, right? Just take an example of these two markers. My one marker is in right hand and the other one is in left hand. These are two separate markers, but when I put them together, I add them, they become two, right? Now I have two markers. When I have one marker in my one hand and one marker in my other hand, they are known as single markers. But when I bring them together, they become double. They become two markers. Now, this is the sign of addition. This is the sign of addition. Now let's come to the concept of addition. We all know that there are tens and there are units, right? Just remember, addition always starts from the units, from the right side of your hand. Addition always starts from the right side of your hand. Let's take any two numbers. We have number 4 and number 3, right? Now we are going to add them. Before adding, I'll be telling you about two important rules of addition. The first one is addition is only on your hands and in your mind. The second rule is the biggest number is on your tongue and the smallest number is on your fingers. Now let's apply this. Now we are starting addition from the right side, from the units, okay? And in 4 and 3, which one is the bigger number? Number 4 is bigger. So number 4 would be on our tongue. You will put it inside your mouth, on your tongue. Whereas the other number, that is number 3. Number 3 is smaller than 4. It is lesser than 4. So number 3 would be on our fingers. Now let's open 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3 fingers, right? Now 4 was on our tongue. 4 number is on our tongue, inside our mouth. What we have to do is we have to count after 4. What comes after 4? Number 5. Then number 6 and number 7. Let's do it once again. Number 4 on our tongue and 3 fingers. Count after 4. 5, 6, 7. So our answer is number 7, right? Let's do another example. We have number 5 and number 6. Now tell me, which one of these two numbers is the biggest number? Number 6 is biggest. So 6 would be on our tongue. It would be inside our mouth. 6 is on the tongue. And how many fingers do we have to open? 5 fingers. How many fingers? 5 fingers. Now you have to count after 6. What comes after 6? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the answer is 11. Now this is how do we write 11, right? 11 would be in the tens and the other would be on the units. So this is 11, right? Now this concept of single digit addition is clear to you. Now we are moving towards double digit addition. Okay students, so now we are moving towards two digit addition, the double digit addition. We have already discussed single digit addition, in which we are going to add from the sides of unit. Now in two digit addition, in the double digit addition, we have tens and we have units. But still, you need to remember that addition starts from the unit side. You will start adding from this side, the right side of sum, okay? Now, on the right side, we have two numbers, number 2 and number 3. Which one of them is bigger? Number 3 is bigger, so 3 would be on our tongue. And how many fingers we need to open? 2 fingers. What comes after 3? 4, 5. What comes after 3? 4, 5. So 5 will come here. Now we are done with this side. Now we will move to the left side. Over here we have number 1 and number 2. Now in 1 and 2, what do you think which one is greater? Number 2 is greater. Number 2 is bigger. 2 would be on our tongue and 1 would be on the fingers. What comes after 2? 3. So the answer is 35. Now 12 plus 23 gives you the answer of 35. Right? Now let's come on to another sum. Remember what we said, the addition starts from the side of units. From the unit side you need to start adding. On the units we have two numbers, number 0 and number 6. Now this is tricky. Which number is the bigger one? Number 6 is bigger. 6 is on our tongue. How many fingers do we need to open? 0 fingers. 0 means nothing. That means none of the fingers will be open. So 6 is in our mouth, and if we have no fingers, when we add that 0 with 6, what would be the answer? Just think, I am having 6 candies on my this hand and 0 candies over here. If I put them together, how many candies would be there? There would be still 6 candies. So the answer of this would be 6. In 2 and 1, 2 is greater. On the tongue, 1 finger. What comes after 2? 3 comes after 2. So this is the answer of 20 plus 16. Just remember one thing. Never ever add with the lines. When you put lines or when you put dots, like for example, I say 4 plus 5. I am putting 4 dots, then I am putting 5 dots. So this is wrong concept. We do not do this. Never ever put lines and dots while adding. Maths is all about mind. If you have a strong mind, you have strong concepts, so you can just do this in your mind, right? Okay, students, so now we are moving towards another important concept. That is the concept of carry addition. Carry means to take something extra with you. For example, you are coming from the home, you are bringing 2 pencils from the home, right? When you come to the school, your friend gives you 2 more pencils. So when you will go home, you will have total 4 pencils. 2 pencils you brought from the home and 2 pencils your friend is giving you. So you're bringing 4 pencils home. So this is what we means when we carry something and we take that thing with us. Okay? Let's clear this concept. The first thing that we discussed was the tens in units, and you remember addition always starts from the units. Now take 2 numbers. We have number 26 plus number 15. Okay, these are the 2 numbers that we are going to add. Now addition always starts from the right side. Ignore this side. Just imagine this side does not exist. Just focus on the units. In the units we have 2 numbers, number 6 and number 5. Now we have to add these 2 numbers. Now which one is the greater number? Number 6 is greater. So 6 would be on our tongue, whereas the smaller number would be on our fingers. 6 on the tongue and 5 fingers. Let's count after 6. What comes after 6? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the answer is 11. This is the answer that we got. Now we know about tens in units. So this means that this one is the tens and this one is the units. While adding, we focus on the unit side. So this one of the units would be cut from here and it will come over here. Now this one is left. We cannot write this one over here because we have not added this side yet, right? हमने ये वाली साइड अभी ऐड नहीं की, तो हम ये वाला वन यहाँ पर नहीं लिख सकते. यहाँ पर और फैमिलीज एग्जिस्ट कर रही हैं, यहाँ पर और नंबर्स एग्जिस्ट कर रही हैं. तो इसमें हम क्या करेंगे कि हम इस वाले वन को यहाँ से उठाकर यहाँ पर ले आएंगे, right? We will add this one on this side. Okay? Do not put the one over here. दिस इज रॉन्ग। यहाँ पर आपने 1 नहीं पुट करना, आप दोनों फैमिलीज के दरमियान में 1 नहीं पुट कर सकते। You need to put the 1 on the side. Now we have 2 numbers over here, number 1 and number 2. Now what you need to do is you will first add these 2 numbers. आपने अभी इस 1 को add नहीं करना, you will just add these 2 numbers, okay? So 2 and 1 together makes 2 on your tongue, 1 on your finger. What comes after 2? Number 3. 2 and 1 together makes 3. Now we have 3 already and 1 extra number. If we add 1 into 3, what will it become? We already have 3. We will add 1 more finger. So it becomes total of 4 fingers. So the answer over here would be 4. That means 26 plus 15 gives you the number 41. Okay, now let's solve 2 more of the sums, okay? First, we are going to solve this side. You people know from tens and units, from which side do we start adding? We start adding from the side of units. Very nice. From the right side. Now, on the right side, we have 2 numbers, number 4 and number 8. 8 is the bigger number. It will come on your tongue. 4 is the smaller number. It will come on your fingers. Now, what comes after 8? 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is the answer. We have tens and we have units. So that means we have added units first. We will add the unit 2 over here. And this 2 would be cut down from here. We are left with 1 tens. This 1 tens will move towards this side. Now we have 1, 3 and 2 over here. First we will add this side. First we will add the unit, the tens number. The tens number are 3 and 2. 3 is greater, 2 is smaller. 3 on your tongue, 2 on your fingers. What comes after 3? 4, 5. Now we have the answer of 5. 3 plus 2 gives you 5. Now we have 1 more digit over here, right? Now what is that digit? Number 1. So 5 plus 1 more. This makes the total 6. So the answer would be 62. एक चीज आपने हमेशा याद रखनी है कि इस 12 में जब आप ये साइड प्लस करते हैं और आपके पास 2 डिजिट आंसर आता है, तो आपने वो 2 डिजिट आंसर डायरेक्टली यहाँ पर नहीं लिखना। आप नहीं लिख सकते बिकॉज इस नंबर में अभी आपने टेंस को प्लस ही नहीं किया। जब आप इस फैमिली को प्लस करते हैं तब आप एक्स्ट्रा नंबर ऐड करेंगे, राइट? यू विल नॉट ऐड इट until and unless you have not added the tens number. Focus here. Now we are moving towards the other sum. We have the number 9 and number 5. 9 is greater on the tongue. 5 is smaller on the fingers. What comes after 9? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now we got the answer of 14. We know about tens and units. What do you think? From 1 and 4, what will come over here? The number 4. Very nice. Why will it come? Because we have not added the tens yet. हमने अभी tens को add नहीं किया, तो हम यहाँ पर 1, 4, 14 नहीं लिख सकते, सिर्फ 4 लिखेंगे. Now this one would be shifted towards this side and it will give you 1 over here. Never ever put this one in the middle. आपने ये वाला 1 कभी भी बीच में नहीं लिखना. Put it on the side. Okay? ये एक्स्ट्रा चीज है, इसको आपने साइड पे रखना है. Now let's plus the tens value. We have 1 and we have 3. We have 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Look, we have 3 bigger number. Plus 1 gives you 4. Plus 1 gives you 5. So the answer is 54. So this was the concept of addition. We have covered single digit addition, double digit addition and carry addition. If you have any sort of confusion in any of the concepts, you can let me know. And please suggest what other concepts you need for the next video. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.